Oh, the hinges seems to be broken. Alright, so we do get a light right here. Oh, something is damaged right around here.
These are all parallel. That's why they're short. Let's look at the perfect one. Ready. So I found this broken motherboard, which is broken from the back and cannot be repaired. And I got a similar MOSFET, a slightly different number, but it has 55 ampere, 30 volt, 55 ampere rating. And the one which was here was 30 volt, 50 ampere rating. So I replaced this MOSFET, I removed this MOSFET from here and put it on this shorted MOSFET. Okay, there's a slightly different number, like this is SM4370, the existing original one, and the one which I replaced is 4337 SM. This one is 55 ampere, 30 volt, 55 ampere rating. So I believe it will work, and now we will test it. I will reassemble the laptop. The short is gone. I just measured all the inputs and the short is gone. So let's see.